we go shopping, final shopping for Christmas. Yeah. First we go show his mom. So we are driving 2 hours back to our previous home to show his parents the car. Yeah. Look at it, guys. Amazing, amazing. Even my seat is so comfortable. And the navigation works. It's perfect for your feet and everything. Your head is adjusted properly. Wow. So that's it, guys. Bye.
God, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every.
Now we are back. We are back in our village. Yeah, I miss this village. Yeah, that's our almost like the center. No, this is not the center. We are going home to check up on the house briefly. I know, not that we are checking on the tenants, but we just drive outside it and see. I just want to see the house. That's all. Yeah. Oh, my face. Yeah, Prince Clash Rats. And that's our street, our old home. We are back in our old home. She has removed the flower outside.
Which flower outside?
The flower your mom put outside. She now puts like a Christmas. Drive there and turn there. She will not know it's you, don't worry. See.
Oh, yeah.
See, she removed the flower your mom puts. Oh, she has nice tastes though.
Oh.
She has nice tastes. You can reverse. Put a lot of design for Christmas. Nice. Yeah. Oh, guys, look at tiny snow forming already. You are going to see snow this year. We've arrived at Ido's parents' place, so we want to show them the car before we go shopping. Shopping for Christmas, drinks, alcohol, non-alcoholic, everything. Babe, look at snow is already falling here.
No, it's not snow, it's just ice.
Ice, okay. Hello! Hello!
Hey!
Hey! Nice to see you. Oh, yeah. Oh, my mother-in-law stays. Look, I need this in my lobby. So beautiful. Christmas decoration. Oh, actually it's beautiful. Oh, my. Merry Christmas. Oh, it's really nice. It's unique. Oh, this is beautiful.
Wil jij ook koffie?
Hoe heeft gisteren het sollicitatiegesprek gegaan?
Ja, die bel ik dat ik kan niet spreken Nederlands.
Niet genoeg Nederlands spreken.
Ja. Ik niet Nederlands praten.
Ja.
Like,
Ja. En dat had je nodig voor aan een telefoon.
Aan telefoon met mensen.
Ja. Oh, wat jammer.
So just 1 month, just for the Christmas.
Ja, voor de drukke periode.
True period,
Ja, oké. Waar wil jij zitten?
Okay.
Ga maar ergens zitten.
Let's sit.
Did you go to your
This is
appointment
nice.
yesterday with Zellingen?
Ja,
You had an appointment yesterday, you didn't go, eh?
I didn't see anything in my email.
I told you that email you got 2 months ago gonna make the appointment.
Oh.
Now we have to reschedule.
I didn't forgot. It wasn't made by
tea
me.
even?
Yes, ma'am.
Ja. Kilo koffie?
Ja, koffie natuurlijk.
Oh, thank you, Phil. That's our mail from the lady and the phone the lady gave us. Okay.
Ja, die had ze in de vuilnisbak gevonden.
Thank you, ma. This from you?
Ja, dat is voor jullie.
Thank you, ma. Okay, look at it. Thank you, ma. This card for my mother-in-law. Christmas card. Oh, look at it, babe. So nice. Read it for us. Ido and Ebon, Pap and Ik open. that 2023. Fantastic year. Worked in here. Oh, Papa and Ma were to fall from Finchy. First Finchy. Oh, that's so sweet. And look at the table they gave us. My mother-in-law has taste. Look at that decoration. Showing his mom.
Oh, what a
my claw. Yeah. Showing his parents. His parents are looking at the mom.
mooi, man.
They loved it.
Ja, dat is hartstikke goede kookgeleid voor zo'n dingen.
En dat leert nog wel wat.
Ja, mij
You like?
allemaal 10
Nice. Yeah, that's us.
Waarom een beetje vocht in de kooklamp? Oh ja, dat filmt natuurlijk omdat ik dan weer in de
You
buurt.
didn't turn it on.
Ja, dat
Okay, you know when you open the car, it turns on.
En een schitterende auto.
zo is het een passen.
Ja, die is ook mooi. Die is zo
That is Japanese the car expert.
heel apart.
Mother and son.
Heel mooi met de zwarte accent. En dan kreeg ze pas echt goed.
Got someone looking cute behind the wheel. Look at the sun in your face, it's nice.
Ah, oké, dankjewel.
Look this way and smile.
Wel.
Yeah.
Oh, ja.
Look this way and smile.
En
Oh.
is very happy.
Yeah, it's happy. Start button.
This start button, just
I'll just start.
put your foot on the brake, please.
Okay.
Yeah, you just
Where do you engage?
to here to drive.
Where?
You pull it.
I pull it.
Yeah, now it's in drive.
That's all.
It's in drive, yeah.
And I drive.
Yeah.
Wow. That's so easy.
Okay. Go. Turn to the right at the roundabout, please.
Bij de derde afslag verlaten we en
I should turn to the right.
To the right at the roundabout.
There's nobody at the roundabout. It takes a bit of getting used to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me.
So push the panel, babe.
Woo! I'm driving. Baby, feels so cool.
Smooth, eh?
Yeah, so quiet and sleek. Wow. Am I going straight?
Yeah.
Generation lane.
There's no, we're not driving
They're
on
not
there.
driving on, okay. As in on the snare work.
Yeah.
So I can feel the speed. Hi guys, I'm test running this baby. It feels amazing. It's an amazing drive.
bij de vierde afslag.
Guys, this is what the gift they gave us for the car. Let's open it and see what is in there. Okay, help me, okay. Oh, this is a bag you said.
BMW bag.
The BMW
I think I
bag.
have something to carry my food to work.
Exactly. Then chocolates. They said this is a special kind of chocolates.
Let me check.
Open this chocolate, babe, please. It's big. It's like a sports bag. Okay, just like a small travel bag. Like the one you were looking for yesterday. Well, 4 square. You made it sound as if it's like cute and small. You can't carry your food inside. Open the chocolate, let's see. So they gave us that. And that's the signed contract. That's the signed contract. Open the chocolate. Let me see what's special about the chocolate. The way it was going on about the chocolate. That they can't even eat it. Oh, customized chocolates. Okay, customize. No wonder. Put it on the table. And this is the contract. Oh, you didn't give you anything in there.
No, it's just a thing that
You need to pay online. Okay, I thought there was a contract in there. So a bag. They gave us this is what came with the car, the contract, the bag, and chocolates. More chocolates. Gift wrapping day. We're wrapping all these gifts, all these gifts, all that gifts. So I bought this paper.
Can you
wrap that under that? Down set. I'll put all this one, put them all together. So I'll do it like we have all these gifts to wrap, all these gifts to wrap, all these gifts. Now put it under the tree. For his mom, Ido will wrap mine. I don't know what he's giving me. I know one, but I don't know the rest. Then I'll wrap my own secretly so he doesn't know what I'm getting. Why are you gluing it together? It will be difficult for her to open.
No. Let's glue them together.
It will be difficult for her to start opening one after the other. Turn it, turn it.
What is it done?
So they face the same direction.
Huh? They all face in the same direction.
Okay. That's a glue gun. There's no need to glue all together, just rub it together.
That's what I mean. Look at that.
There's still one more we've not gotten. See this one. Add this one.
You just say you want to use it. You just want to use it.
So I should wrap that one separate, this one separate.
Yeah, that was the idea.
So the last one, how do we get it?
Huh?
When I mentioned gluing, you didn't agree.
Not suitable for the rest.
But at least it's gluing. It's faster like that. No time to waste.
For you.
Guys, look how nice he wrapped it. Someone is very good with this gift wrapping thing. Gift
You are
wrapping
very
thing.
bad at wrapping.
That's why I have you, babe. I will wrap just yours. Oh my God. See, I put lots here already for you. Take them. Don't you go. And we are done. Someone did beautifully. Wrapped all this beautifully. This for the mom, this for me, and this for him. I did this last one. We're going to wrap the last sets privately. Yeah, and put it under the tree. At least everybody knows what's wrapper for everybody. Yeah, looking nice. Well done, babe.